Once the water supply and drainage is in place, installation of the Ascent 2 macerating toilet can be done in just an hour or so. Without having to cut through a wood floor or jackhammer through solid concrete, the toilet goes into place quickly and easily. One of the great features of the Ascent 2 is the auxiliary inlets on both sides of the macerating unit. So if your remodeling or addition project requires a macerating toilet and a sink, shower, or bathtub, it can be easily connected to the Ascent 2. The auxiliary inlets accept standard 1.5 or 2-inch diameter pipes. The advanced design of the Ascent 2 macerating toilet features a clean connect seal, completely eliminating the old rubber accordion-style couplers and hose clamps found on other models. Not only is this more attractive, it ensures a watertight seal between the bowl and macerator unit. Plus, it keeps the unit closer to the toilet bowl for a more compact and professional look. For the utmost in install simplicity, the Ascent 2's macerating unit is designed to be mounted either in front of the wall or behind it. If it's to be installed in front of the wall, the contoured shape of the macerating unit allows for it to be placed flush against the wall, avoiding the floor molding. If the macerating unit is to be installed behind the wall, Liberty Pumps offers an optional 16-inch extension pipe. This allows the macerating unit to be completely hidden from sight. The unit comes with a generous 8-foot power cord, and the Ascent 2's cord management system allows the cord to exit either the right or left side of the unit, depending on where your electrical outlet is located. Any excess power cord can be hidden under the access cover. The Ascent 2 macerating toilet comes with a full 3-year warranty and Liberty Pump's commitment to American workmanship. Not too shabby. If you want power combined with beauty, if you want performance and functionality, look no further than the Ascent 2 macerating toilet from Liberty Pumps. For more information, speak with your Liberty Pumps distributor or check out our website at libertypumps.com. Liberty Pumps, making impossible bathrooms possible.